Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to join a room in Element Messenger step by step. Joining a room allows you to participate in group conversations, collaborate with teams, and connect with communities across the Matrix network. So let's get started. First, open the Element Messenger app on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your Matrix account. Once you're on the home screen, make sure your conversations have finished syncing. Next, click or tap the Explore Rooms, Join Room, or Plus button, depending on the version of Element you're using. You'll see options to browse public rooms or join a room using an invitation or room address. Now, search for the room by entering its name, room alias, or invitation link if you have one. Select the correct room from the search results, then review the room details before joining if you'd like. After that, click or tap the Join Room button. If the room is public, you'll usually join immediately. If it's a private room, you may need an invitation from a room administrator before you can access the conversation. Once you've joined, introduce yourself if appropriate, read any pinned messages or room guidelines, and begin participating by sending messages, sharing files, or responding to other members. And that's it. You now know how to join a room in Element Messenger and become part of secure group conversations on the Matrix network. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.